Hello students, welcome back to your next online classes of English. Enjoying your classes? Revising your lessons? We have completed 3 lessons of English 1, that is noun, conjunctions and interjections, essay and an application. Now we will move to English 2, which includes 2 books. English Reader Workbook, as you see on your screen. We will cover both the books simultaneously. Today, let's start with Chapter 1, A New Baby. Open your English Reader books, page number 5, A New Baby. We will first read the chapter, understand the story in simple way, and then do the comprehension part. A New Baby. What is the name of the lesson? A New Baby. Welcome home. We have a new baby. She has come home with Mama and Papa. We are happy to have her in our family. Once again, we have a new baby. She has come home with Mama and Papa. We are happy to have her in our family. Her name is Tina. She is so tiny. She sleeps a lot. Her name is Tina. She is so tiny. She sleeps a lot. I sit on the bed. Papa puts Tina in my lap. I love my little sister. Turn the page, students. When I clap, Tina moves her tiny hands. When I give her a toy, she moves her small legs. When I clap, Tina moves her tiny hands. When I give her a toy, she moves her small legs. Next para. When I call Tina, she looks at me. When I touch her soft cheek, she smiles. When I call Tina, she looks at me. When I touch her soft cheek, she smiles. Last para. I am her Didi. I think she loves me. I love you too, Tina. I am her Didi. I think she loves me. I love you too, Tina. Once again, we'll read the lesson. Welcome home. We have a new baby. She has come home with Mama and Papa. We are happy to have her in our family. Her name is Tina. She is so tiny. She sleeps a lot. I sit on the bed. Papa puts Tina in my lap. I love my little sister. When I clap, Tina moves her tiny hands. When I give her a toy, she moves her small legs. When I call Tina, she looks at me. When I touch her soft cheek, she smiles. I am her Didi. I think she loves me. I love you too, Tina. In the very first para, she tells us that the baby has come home with Mummy and Papa, and they are very happy to have the baby with them. In the second para, she tells the name of her little baby is Tina. She tells us that she is so small and sleeps a lot. Students say tiny means very small. In the next lines, the girl sits on the bed and the papa puts her sister in her laps and she loves the baby. Laps means upper part of the legs. The girl says when she claps, the baby moves her small hands. And when she gives her a toy, she moves her small legs. Again, the girl says when she calls Tina, she looks at her. Tina used to look at her sister, and when she touches her soft cheeks, she smiles a lot. She feels proud that she is her Didi. She thinks Tina loves her a lot, and the girl also loves her little sister Tina a lot. Now start with the exercises. Part A, B, C, D is in our syllabus. Start with part A. Tick the correct word. Here we have two options for every question. You have to tick the correct one. The first one is already done for you. And then you have to fill the blanks or dash given. Number 1. The little baby came home with dash. A option is grandma and grandpa. B is mama and papa. This one is already done for you. So the correct answer is mama and papa. In the dash or the blank you will write mama and papa. M-A mama, A-N-D and P-A papa. Spellings are written below also. The second one is they are dash to have Tina in the family. Option is A1 is happy, B1 is sad. So tick the correct option A, happy. Fill the blank Happy, happy. Tina dash most of the time. Options are cries, B sleeps. Tick the correct word sleeps. And write it in the dash SLEEPS, sleeps. Once again we will do the options. First one is mama and papa. Second is happy. Third one is sleep. Part B, match the questions with their answers. Children, here you have to match the questions in the first column to the correct answers in the second one. You will write down the numbers in the second column as shown on your screen. Please don't draw lines to match the answers. The question is, what does Tina do when Didi claps? What does Tina do when Didi claps? Correct answer is Tina moves her hands. Write there number 1. Tina moves her hands. Second is Didi brings her toy. Tina moves her legs. Didi brings her toy. Tina moves her legs. Write there number 2. 3. Didi touches her cheek. Tina smiles. Write there number 3. Didi touches her cheek. Tina smiles. So, the answers are 2, 3, 1. Is it clear to you all? Next one is C part. Level the people in Pia's family. The correct options are given in the box. Mother, father, grandma, grandpa, baby. And this is a Pia's family. Children, in the center is Pia. The lady in the pink sari is her mother. Note down the spellings. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Once again, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. The man holding the baby is Pia's grandpa. G-R-A-N-D, grand, P-A-Pa. Once again, G-R-A-N-D, grand, P-A-Pa, grandpa. The little one is baby. The little one is baby, B-A-B-Y. The man in yellow shirt is Pia's father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Once again, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. The woman in green sari is Pia's grandma. The woman in green sari is Pia's grandma. G-R-A-N-D, grand, M-A, ma. Once again, grandma, G-R-A-N-D, grand, M-A, ma. Grandma. So, this is Pia family, which include mother, father, grandpa, grandmother, and a baby. Now move to part D, spellings. In this, you have to complete the words with the missing alphabets. This is also a way to learn the spelling. Fill in letters to make words that tell us about Tina. What is the question? Fill in letters to make words that tell us about Tina. The first one has been done for you. New baby. The dash was E. The second is L-I-T-T-L-E. Little sister. In the dash you will write I and E. The third one is tiny. T-I-N-Y. Tiny hands. In the dash you will write I. Fourth one is small legs. What is the spelling? S-M-A-L-L. Small legs. In the dash you will write M and A. So, once again check your spellings. In the second dash you will write I and E. In the third you will write I. In the fourth one you will write M and A. This completes the exercise of chapter 1, A New Baby. Next we will be doing question answers in our English 2 notebooks. Open your English 2 notebooks and start writing. My dear children, here are question answers of lesson 1, A New Baby. These question answers are in the form of matchups in our book, page number 7, part B. Let's start writing. Dear students, please follow the same pattern of writing as shown on this notebook. Yes, first of all, write down the date on the top of the page. Start from the first line. Lesson 1, A New Baby. Part B. Question answers. Question answers. Question number 1. What does Tina do when Didi claps? What does Tina do when Didi claps? W-H-A-T, what? D-O-E-S, does. T-I-N-A, Tina. T will be capital. do when Didi claps. WHEN, when. Didi, D will be capital DIDI. Claps, 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 question mark. Answer is Tina moves her hands. Once again, Tina moves her hands. T will be capital TINA, Tina. MOVES, moves. HER, her. Hands, HANDS, S will be there. HANDS, hands, full stop. Move to question number 2. What does Tina do when Didi brings a toy? What does Tina do when Didi brings a toy? WHAT, what? DOES, does. TINA, Tina, T capital. DO, do. WHEN, when. Didi, 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 D capital. Brings, BRINGS, brings a toy, 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 question mark. Students, move to the next page, and if you have the space on the same page, continue there only. Answer 2. Tina, T capital. Tina moves her legs. Once again, Tina moves her legs. TINA, Tina. MOVES, moves. HER, her. LEGS, legs. Tina moves her legs, full stop. Question number 3. What does Tina do when Didi touches her cheek? What does Tina do when Didi touches her cheek? Question mark. W capital, WHAT, what? DOES, does. TINA, Tina, T capital. DO, do. When, WHEN. Didi, D capital, DIDI, Didi, touches, TOUCHES, touches. HER, her. Chick, CHEEK, question mark. Next line, answer 3. Tina smiles. Tina smiles. T capital, TINA, Tina. SMILES, smiles. Tina smiles. Full stop. Dear students, there are 2 important points you have. Write and learn. Do in English 2 notebook only. With this, we have completed chapter 1 of the reader book, which is your English 2. Students, in the next part, we will be doing the workbook exercises for the same chapter. Let's move to the next part.